What's going on, guys? What if I tell you there's a very easy way to make money online? You don't need to make it so complicated. You don't need to watch videos after videos, training, mastermind sessions, and all that. Right? Also, the best part is there's no selling involved in the business, whereas the system is doing 95% of the work for you. We in the digital era, and there's tools like chatbot and everything that's happening in the online space where AI is doing all the heavy lifting for you. So why not take advantage of that and start making money online? So if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description. Click and check it out for yourself. Just have to enter your details, and then after that, on the next page, it will give you a quick overview of what this business model is about. Thank you again, and I cannot wait to talk to you very soon. Bye for now.